Ah. Ah. Ah.
No slushy.
Casey.
No slushy.
The guy.
No slushy.
Casey, do you need a drink?
No slushy. No slushy. No slushy. Casey,
Ooh,
no,
that
seriously,
needs some
no
water.
What is it?
Lemonade. Okay, it's really concentrated on the bottom.
Hmm.
Casey Pacey, you want a drink?
slushy.
Drink. Yeah. Alright, calm down.
I
Calm
feel
down.
like she's gonna take the lid off.
I don't think she thinks it needs any water. I think she thinks it's just fine. Is that good, Casey?
Is that yummy?
She
He's like, yeah, that's yummy. I want some more.
The look on her face is like, what is this? Okay, you're spitting it out all over me, girlfriend. I don't think you can quite handle that straw.